my name is Sepi Sonsatsanga Namogela channel yami. If you're a regular T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. So guys, I'm doing a vlog a day or two. We are going to the Lala Tuxini Festival. I'm so excited, guys. Please enjoy this video. Tell your family, your friend, your extended family to please subscribe to my channel. It's a vibe over here, guys. Yeah, let's get right into the video. I hope you do enjoy, guys. Mwah! Love you loads, guys. Sanalam.
I slapped him, I had told him, don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on my
starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy.
Der Wohlan so moschala zu schein.
Nani was this again? Better say, okay, better none again.
DJ Kira, DJ Fox, DJ Sido. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. So, bella shit. But we never say never. Life is a short trip.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle.
Hey T Squad, I'm back again. I'm back again. Guys, angifuna ngasho, yesterday was too good. Yo, Daldala took an event, festival, I mean, yo. Umukadunga yang, muwenzani ngempilo yakho ngempela? Why? Lapho guys, it was my first time going to a festival, any festival, Jay. It was my first time and I shame enjoyile, guys. Enjoyile shame angifuna ngasho, enjoyile. And today is too cold, guys. Awumazi kwabanda namhlanje. Kuyabanda, kuyafreeza, ngathi phuma ice, guys. Kuyabanda. I'm gonna make coffee right now. Before I want to go to the mall actually, but I want to first make coffee. I need to make coffee and then go to the mall. I want to go to Foschini. There's a bag that I want, a Luella bag. So I'm gonna go there and check if they do have it. And then and then I will come back, guys. Angazi why ngihamba ngalolu suku banda kanje. But futhi ngifuna ukuphuma ukushaya umoya, guys. Kubanda lapho. Thini imvula lapho. Angiyazi mina into enje, guys. But either way, I have to go, shame. I have to go. Oh, bangizoze ngiyisebenzise le mali. And imali yasabanza. Imali yasabanza, guys. It's freezing outside. It's freezing, guys. Yo. The next clip, I will not be talking too much, guys. I will not be talking too much. Yeah, that's it, guys.
Biggie man, we don't be where I back that. What's it go? You are go. All the men, they catch ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go. All the men, they catch ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing.
you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money, yeah. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I know be die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I know be different things than happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean, court, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family, frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the cafe, ride the whip, I know be die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the cafe, ride the whip, I know be Oluwa now.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever
I got banda, guys. Guys, I'm back from the mall. I ended up not getting what I wanted. I couldn't find the bag, so I think it was out of stock. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm back. And Lalilan, guys, thank you so much to everyone who've been watching my vlogs until the end, and continue, guys, supporting your girl. Yeah, nothing much, guys. This is the end of the vlog, so see you on my next vlog. This is Vlogtober, and I'm being consistent. Wow, October. Wow. Bye, guys. See you on my next video vlog. Bye. Love you. Bye, T Squad. Bye, T Squad.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?